Hey everybody, Steve Kane here with Rolling Strong. I want to take a minute to talk to you about some new enhancements we've made to the mobile application, continuing to deliver our commitment to give you the most usable mobile application to manage your health out there on the road. So recently we've added some enhancements to the social page. So you can go in there, you can upload all kinds of information to your social page. So if you've done a workout today and you've taken a picture of it, or maybe it's a meal you've eaten, you want to take a picture, or just whatever in general. We love seeing the success stories. We love hearing about the challenges. The social page in the Rolling Strong app is a great place to upload those success stories or raise questions about challenges you might have staying fit on the road, so the rest of our community can kind of join together and we can help each other get to that next level, reduce risk factors. So the enhancements in the social page allowed us to make much larger images just for user experience. You can see those pictures much more clearly with the new enhanced picture viewer. We also added the ability to add videos. So if you want to take a video of a workout you've done or take a video of something and get it in there, you can easily do that. We've also added the ability to comment on those videos and or pictures or whatever post someone's made. That way, you know, we can comment on it and give you a little feedback about things that you're doing. And also other people within your community can comment on those posts as well. A couple other things that are really great and unique about this is if you're using the mobile application to manage your fitness, nutrition, and sleep, you can also post your day directly to the social media page. So when you click on post something, one of your options in there is going to be post my day, post my nutrition, post my sleep, post my exercise. So it'll take the log of the work that you've done and load it in the app for that day, and it'll immediately give you a snapshot to post on the social media page. So you can just share that with everybody. We can continue to inspire each other. We can continue going down this path and just share it and create that positive social community that we all like to have in that social experience. So those are some of the main things we've added, just making it more usable. But I also want to talk for a quick minute about the Where Am I function. So as you know, in the bottom right hand side of the main screen, you can see a little icon down there called Where Am I? This allows you to source things that are meaningful to you on the road. So where can I find a gym that's close to a truck stop? Where can I find a healthy place to eat? Where can I find a place to stop and pull over my truck so I can get rest? What we've done is we've associated all of the places that we've tagged as healthy places to eat, tagged as gyms, places you can get a workout, our whole healthcare network. So places you can get a DOT physical, places that you can go in and get an assessment done pre-DOT physical. We've posted all those in the Where Am I page, and we've associated them 0.2 miles away from every truck stop. So if you're looking for a healthy resource that's close to a truck stop, just toggle the truck stops button over on the Where Am I page, and it'll actually only pull up locations like places to get a DOT physical, places to get a healthy meal, gyms that are within 0.2 miles of a truck stop. So your view becomes really the trucker's view of the most healthy options out there. And then the last thing that we really enhanced with this new release is a much more enhanced gamified experience. Company-wide, we can run very intricate competitions, really allowing everybody to be involved and compete in these competitions, have visibility on dashboards so you can see where you are in the roster, just to make it a lot more fun. So if you're not involved in a company competition, reach out to your carrier, reach out to your company and ask them to ask us, because we'd love to support that and make this this experience and maintaining your health fun and enjoyable for everybody. Thanks again, Steve Kane with Rolling Strong. Have a great day.